Hey y'all, I'm Melissa, and today I'm going to play with our ColourPop So Jaded palette. It looks like this. It's so beautiful. I think I might do something in the green family, but we'll see. So we're going to play with that, and along the same lines, I'm going to use affordable products as well. So let's just get right into it. Okay, I'm going to take off my glasses. And I have this Ulta Beauty matte eye primer that I'm going to try out. I haven't used it before, but I got it as like a sample. And it's supposed to be nude and oil-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free. So if it works good, then it's awesome. Might have used a little too much. Alright, so far so good. Little goes a long way, I learned. So let's get into the So Jaded palette. First I'm going to take Royal Jewels, which is right here. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And I'm using a ColourPop E2 blending brush. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Geodude right here, and I'm going to deepen my crease a little further. I'm using a Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush. Alright, so now I'm going to take Jade and just put that in my outside V on the lid, and I'm using a Sigma E27 detail blending brush. Let's see about now I'm going to go in with Emerald right here and put that on the middle of my eyelid. And I'm just going to go in with my finger. Alright, now I'm going to take my finger again and go into Peridot right here, this light green shade. I'm going to take the blending brush and just run over my crease, just to make sure everything's well blended. Alright, I think I'm going to leave it there for right now, and I'm going to take a cotton round and some micellar water and just wipe out all the fallout that's underneath my eyes. Alright, so today I'm going to be trying a new BB cream. Well, first let me put on a little bit of primer. I'm going to go into NYX Hydro Touch Primer. Just put a little bit of that all over my face. So now I'm going to go into the Misha BB Cream. Number 21 is my shade Light Beige. And it has an SPF of 42. Alright, we're going to try it out. Alright, and I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it out. Let's see. And this is actually a Korean brand. And it's supposed to be pretty good. Let me see. Might see about putting a little bit more on my cheeks. That actually looks pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer in Fair 20N. And again, I'm going to take my sponge and just blend that out. Alright, so I'm going to take a little bit of the NYX HD Finishing Powder in Banana and just put that on my under eyes. And now I'm going to take the NYX HD Finishing Powder in Transparent, and I'm just going to go all over my face just to set that down a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the Revolution Bronzer Reloaded in Long Weekend and just run that all around my face. Now I'm going to go under the chin and down the neck. Make sure to kind of get behind the ear. You're going to have your hair up. Now I'm going to go into the ColourPop blush, and it's the Interstellar Pressed Powder Blush. Came with their new palettes that came out at Ulta. This is the blush for the purple one. I'm going to put that on. And I'm just taking it over the nose so we can get that sun-kissed, sunburnt look. And now I'm going to go into the ColourPop highlighter and Smoke and Whistles. And I'm actually going to take that on my beauty blender. See if I can't get it on there. Now I'm going to take my powder brush, just go over everything, make sure it's blended, make sure there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to take the ColourPop E10 and go back into the So Jaded palette. I'm going to take Jade, the darker shade that we had on our outer corner, and I'm going to put that up underneath my my eye and try to do it as close to my lash line as I can. Now I'm going to take a Geodude, and on this Sigma eye shading brush, the E55, and I'm just going to take it on the tip of this and just run it right underneath to try to blend that out a little bit. Now I'm going to take the Rimmel New lighter and I'm going to put it in my waterline. Let's see. Alright, now I'm going to take my little Lexi brush, just a precision crease brush, 246. And I'm going to go into Pearl right here and use that as an inner corner highlight. And I just connected it to this lower lash line right here. And making sure it's nice and blended. Alright. Alright, I'm going to take the NYX On The Rise mascara and put it on my upper and lower lashes. That works pretty good. And now I'm going to take the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in Bare Affair and go over my lips. Alright, so this is the final look. I think it turned out pretty good. We had a couple of new products. I think the Misha BB cream was really good. Let's see what else was new. The Ulta eye primer, pretty good. And actually the lipstick was new too. That was pretty good. So all in all, I think everything worked out great and it turned out really good. I hope you liked the video. If you did, just hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you in the family. Ring the bell as well so that you can know when I upload my videos. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.